So in our last Power Moves video, we showed how to set up a shortcut workflow to streamline the process of mirroring entities at the sketch level. And a lot of you had questions for me about whether or not we could do the same thing at the feature level. Well, the answer is absolutely. And so that workflow is going to end up looking something like this. I'm going to pick one feature or more features while holding control, and then I'm going to pick the plane that I wish to mirror about. Once I pick that plane, I can let go of control, and here we see that in our customized context menu, we can choose the mirror features command, and boom, there is the mirror of our features. So in today's Power Move Quick Tip video, we're gonna show how to set up this workflow. Ow! So the context toolbar is a toolbar that shows up automatically when you select one or more items in SOLIDWORKS. Here you can see what it looks like when I pick this cut extrude from the tree. Here you can see that context toolbar looks a little bit different when I pick a planar face off the model. So the menu will be different depending on the context of what you select. It kind of is unique depending on what it is that you click on. And so what we can do in SOLIDWORKS is we can customize this context menu by first getting it to appear and then doing a right mouse button on that menu and choosing Customize. Now in this case, we're going to be looking for a feature to add to this menu. So we're going to go down to the section for features, and we're going to choose the feature known as the mirror command. So here it is, the mirror features command. We're going to drag and drop that feature down here onto our context menu. And now anytime we click on a feature here in the tree, the mirror features command shows up automatically in our context menu. So that means we could hold control and pick one or more features to mirror, and then we can pick the plane which we wish to mirror about. When we let go of control, that's when this menu will show up. So you let go of control, that menu shows up, you click on the mirror features command, and SOLIDWORKS automatically drops the plane into the mirror face or plane and automatically drops those features into the features to mirror. So all that's left is for us to hit the green check mark and move on with our design. So you've now seen two examples of customizing that context toolbar. We did it in sketch mode to set up mirror entities, and now we've done it in feature mode to set up mirror features. What are some other icons that you think you might add to that context menu if you customize it? Let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to come back for the next Power Moves.